Hello student, today we have to learn order list and unordered list. This is a listing tag. We can use Edit Plus software. Firstly, open Edit Plus software, file, new and HTML page. Here ready-made code we have to write this. HTML end of HTML forward slash. Then title, mention name of title, web design, end of title. Then heading tag, head, this is order and unordered list tags, end of head. Then body tag, here we have to mention order or unordered line. Today firstly we have to write order tag. Okay, then this order tag sequentially created by our web page like as number, symbols or any Roman tag like as ABCD, small letter, capital letter, Romans, small letter, capital letter, or number 1, 2, 3, 4 like as. Just Edit Plus software can be said our ready-made syntax. List tag. Okay, then simply click here. OL means order list. LI means list elements. Here we have to type that FYBCA. SYBCA also like third TYBCA. Simply write down and press Ctrl B. We have to generate order tag in sequentially 1, 2, 3 number like as. Also we have to choose many things of that order list. We have to change the format. You have to simply define as like, simply type equal to in Roman 1. Control P, press it. The sequential format is to be changed. Then also we have to write next type, small I. Again execute, sequence, again change. Then also you can change the format, small a. You can press Ctrl B. Again sequence is ABCD in small letter. If we have to capital letter, then again press Ctrl P like that. This is the main format of our order tag. This is a number format, Roman format, small letter and alphabetical format. all is compulsorily sequential. It is called order tag. Then we have to write an order list. Simply you have to syntax an order list. Again we have to type here and press Ctrl B. Every unordered list can be generated symbols. The default symbols is ticks, like that dark circle. If I have to create another symbol, then simply type here type is equal to circle. Again press Ctrl B, like that. Then we have to check okay, it is a solid circle, it is a wheel circle. Then again change the symbol, like as a square solid, you can just put it square, then execute it. Like that. These are three symbols: solid disk, circle and square. It is an unordered tag. This is the main example of order and unordered list. This order list can be only situated by sequentially data, or unordered list can be situated only highlighted data. This practical example can be done by using Edit Plus software. Another example, if we have to run many things of that, then you can use definition tag also. This definition tag can be used only paragraph purpose. You want to click definition tag, then we have to write and execute it, like that. Main is a, or it is a sub content. It is called definition tag. Thank you.